Oliver is located here in Grand Rapids. We are the market leader in bread slicers and bagel slicers, as well as food packaging equipment. We're using Infor CloudSuite Industrial. We transitioned over from a legacy ERP system about 4 years ago. We think it's made a world of difference in our operations. Some of the challenges we had before we moved to the cloud were our constant updating of our servers on site. We did not have a lot of resources in-house to maintain servers and address issues like that. So by implementing the solution from Infor, we were able to put in a system that enables us to manage our growth, better enabled us to project our demand and trends, and we've seen great improvement in all of our KPIs as a result. We've had improvements in Net Promoter Score of about 15 points over the past 3 years. Our on-time deliveries 4 years ago were 35%, and we're now approaching 90%, and our inventory levels are down. To the extent that we increase our inventories, it's because we choose to, not because we did it by mistake.
So before we started using this solution, we had such a cumbersome process. I would easily spend 5 hours in 1 week, every week of every year, gathering all of the data together. But then the new solution uses CloudSuite Industrial, and it sends all the information to the data lake, where Coleman AI uses its machine learning to pull that information. It analyzes customer trends and seasonality, and then it pushes it out into this beautiful burst dashboard that shows you exactly what you need to know when you need to know it. And so now it's a minute. I get an email every single day, and then I can go look at a workflow that takes me, again, another minute to just glance at, because you don't have to do something with it, because it just notifies you, and then you're like, oh, it's assigned to this person. It's perfect.
Every ERP integration has challenges. And I think what's critical around that is ensuring that you have the right partner to work through those. And Infor has been there every step of the way. They make us feel like we're one of their most important customers. The support has been fantastic, and the integration has been as seamless as it could be. We're using Infor CloudSuite Industrial, and it's made a world of difference in our operation, our employee satisfaction, our customer satisfaction, significantly.